Dear teachers, today I am going to be talking about one of the concept building strategy. This is very effective for all those topics where there is large text. Generally we have it in subjects like science, social science, economics, business studies. The name of this strategy is Jigsaw. Let's see how does Jigsaw work. Now first of all, we need to see what text we are going to be covering in this strategy, and we'll also see how many number of students are present in the class. What is important over here is to make the groups. How do we make groups? We'll have to see how many number of students are there in our class. Suppose we have 40 children. Then we will be making 6 groups of 6 members each. It is important to note over here that the number of groups and the number of members in each group, they are supposed to be equal. So when we are making 6 groups of 6 students each, let's see that we are creating mixed ability groups, which means that we are having in each group students with different ability. Now we are also remaining with 4 students. These 4 students could be the ones which are of slightly higher ability, and these 4 students will become a part of our experts panel group. These 4 students will be referred to by any of the groups as and when they need any kind of a help. Each group is allotted a different topic. So suppose we are going to be teaching forest to them, then we can give one group the Mediterranean, the other coniferous, the third deciduous, and so on. Once all of these groups have got the topic, they will read that portion of the text from the book and they will try to explain each other about the text. They will also be creating 2 to 3 questions based on it. We will also see that once the groups are being formed, that time itself we will number each member of the group as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once they have finished reading the text, this may take around 7 to 8 minutes, and we will reconstruct these groups. We will regroup them. How will we regroup? We will have all the ones from different groups coming together, all the 2s coming together, all the 3s coming together. Likewise, we will be restructuring our groups. Now you will see that in each group we have got members who have studied a different portion of the text. Now each member is going to be explaining his or her portion of the text to the rest of the members in the group, and will also be asking the questions which have been framed. So we will find that in a span of around 25 to 30 minutes, this entire thing will be done, wherein the students are reading the text, they are understanding themselves, they are framing the questions, they are explaining it to each other. So we will find that the big text, which we might take around 2 to 3 or 4 periods to cover, is now being covered in 40 to 45 minutes effectively just by the students. Now what is the role of a teacher over here? Teacher's role is to actually move from table to table. The teacher's role is that of a facilitator, to just go on and see how the conversations are happening. Are the children understanding the meaning correctly or not? So you can see that this is a strategy which completely engages each and every student. The entire text is being covered in a short duration with students' engagement. Hope you are going to be using this strategy inside your class and making good use of time, and also be honing multiple skills of your students. Thank you so much.